Hi, welcome to the session. So in this session, we're going to see how we are going to use this rewrite and the redirect um, context path for NGINX. Suppose we are hosting a service on some of the URL, and now we wanted the user to notify that the URL has been changed, and this is going to be the new URL. That this, even though you are going to hit that old URL, it will change it to the new URL. So this is something like that. So where we are notifying that user that URL has been changed. So this is the redirect approach. And what is this rewrite? Rewrite is we are going to do the same thing or the similar thing, but without notifying to the user. So that is how we are going to use. So now we will see how effectively we are doing this configuration and how we can see that changes is taken place. Now already have configured this settings. So it is in etc nginx nginx.conf. So here is an example for you. So right now I have configured for location as /base URL. So whenever we are hitting with the URL as base URL, so this is going to reflect with that. And now assume that now I'm going to give this URL change as the base URL, I mean the URL. So in turn, it will go back to that base URL and it will reflect the same to me. But the point is that if you see the URL, it will change back to the base URL. And so this return 301 is a kind of a redirect HTTP response through which we are giving this kind of response to us. Let's go and watch it. So I'm already that in this page, and now if I'm giving base URL, right? Base URL. See, this is the base URL approach. So I'm just getting the same thing. And now if I wanted to use that URL change option, see, when I hit that URL change, it is going back to the base URL and it is given the same page that has been given here. So this is the redirect approach, how we are going to use it, redirect. So the basic example is when we wanted to notify the user that the URL has been changed. And take a rewrite here. This is the statement for rewrite. Now I'm just rewriting for a user if /user. So any user /user, I'm just wanted to saying that it is going to direct to the greet. So the greet is nothing but the allow user. So if I give /user/Joel, so I'm getting hello user. So we are hitting this user/Joel user, which is matching this, and any other word with this um, /Joel, it has to go to greet, and the greet is nothing but this hello user. So we are now seeing that we are hitting this /user/Joel, but the page is reflecting to this hello user. Now if I change some other name, Jack, it will still reflect the same thing. So this is the rewrite. So we are not notifying the user that the URL has changed, but we are internally it is changing. So this is a difference. Now I wanted to show you one more thing. Here I'll just comment this. Yeah, I'm reloading it. Let me show you what is it. So now the $1. So any word next to after this /user, I just wanted to go to that particular path. So here, if you again, let's see, now I'm just giving user slash Joel. Now it says hello Joel. So here I have kept that hello Joel. I mean, after greet, anyhow, it is passing to the greet, but after this $1, so it has to go to slash Joel, and it is reflecting hello Joel. Now if I see a check, it will remain same. Yeah, hello user. So since it is an exact match, so it is hitting to this page and it is returning hello Joel. So this is when like this we can also have the one thing that I wanted to inform you is that when you are using a rewrite, we need to be a little careful because it has to go through all the configuration statement. So it is going to re-evaluate the complete configurations. Suppose right now here I have grid, here also I have a grid, but already this is uh, going to, when this is the one, it has to be written, but since I have an exact match, again it is going to evaluate and it is returning hello Joel. So this is how rewrite is getting used. So the only thing is that when you're doing a re-evaluation, you need to keep that in mind that it has to go through that entire config files. So that is the only thing that you need to keep in mind. So it varies your performance also. So that is the only thing that I wanted to share with you. So this is how we are going to use the rewrite as well as the redirect in NGINX. Thank you.